Welcome to BizMomCoaching. Today I'm teaching you how to use Instagram Reels the right way. This video is going to be short, sweet, and impactful, exactly as your Instagram Reels should be. So let's dive in. Instagram Reels are being prioritized and pushed by Instagram as it is a fairly new feature. If you use Instagram for your business, make sure to use the Reels feature as a new opportunity to grow your business plus grow your community on Instagram faster, or to help take your Instagram page to the next level. Here are my top tips for using Instagram Reels right. While using the Instagram Reels are similar to features of TikTok, trends seem to perform better on TikTok. Although you can easily repurpose your TikTok content and post it to your Reels to bring in some fun into your business. Now that being said, remember that Reels for business pages work best for content where value, inspiration, or entertainment is offered. You want your audience to learn from you in a fun way and get to know you with short and impactful content. So this brings me to the next point. Instagram Reels are ideal for quick 15-second content. Try to keep it aesthetically appealing as you really want to capture attention with it, unlike your IG stories that are more like anything goes. Now my top tip is to use hashtags. Hashtags are heavily pushed in the Reels at this point, so use them. This will ensure that you reach the audience that you are targeting effectively and easily. So let me know, have you used Reels on Instagram and how does it work for you and your business? If you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a like and remember to subscribe to our social channels below.